The ISPE training incorporates those industry best practices and that technical knowledge into current up-to-date courses, and then they can transfer that knowledge to those people working in the industry and the newcomers in the industry.
I like how the examples are very pertinent. I think it's nice to kind of hear colleagues that have different backgrounds. Hearing different approaches to the same kind of problems is very useful, because then you're kind of learning from each other as well as from the instructors.
One of the really strong points about ISPE training is the fact that we're training against essentially our own guidance documents, which are considered to be state-of-the-art by the regulators.
There's a lot of training opportunities out there, but ISPE training I think is superior to the other trainings.
It's ISPE training, it's invaluable. There's a lot of good exposure. You come out with a lot of great tools.
I have about 24 different manufacturing sites where I have my own team, and almost all the sites and all my team have gone through the ISPE GAMP course.
Everybody that's looking for continuous improvement needs to invest to increase his knowledge, and here's the perfect place.